So we've got one of our Throwline boards here. They've got pictographs to explain how to work. But to ask for the padlock code, you're going to call 999 and ask for the fire service. You're then going to give them the location code, which in this one is SY2. The control staff will then give you access to the padlock code, which you'll be able to kind of open up the padlock and retrieve the throw line. If you happen to see somebody in the water, or if you yourself fall into the water unexpectedly, best thing we can do is to float to live. So you're going to lie on your back, make a big star shape. That keeps our face free of the water, and we can just get our breathing under control, and then we can shout for help, possibly even swim to the side, or we can just stay in that floating position until emergency services come to help us. The way we kind of would advise people to help people in the water, we work on a talk, reach, throw progression. So it can sometimes be as simple as shouting at somebody, telling them to lie on their back to float, telling them they might be able to stand up. Okay, if that doesn't work, then it's reaching, so you can use a branch, a pole, a couple of jackets tied together, anything you can just to extend your reach out into the water. Just make sure you're at a nice low center of gravity so that you're able to kind of effect that rescue without getting pulled in yourself. And if that doesn't work, we've then got throw. So we've got two options just next to us here. We've got our life ring, or we have a throw line board. Okay. If you've got nothing like that around, you might be down at the park, you might be playing football. A football will float, throw the football into the water. That will give somebody something to hold on to, and that can make a little bit of a difference until the emergency services arrive. But the key information is call 999 and ask for fire and get help moving as quickly as possible.